Okay guys, welcome back to day 2 of building our houses. Now today we are going to once again need 2 sticks, a placemat, a rolling pin, a pencil tool. You may or may not need some texture plates again, and then you're also going to need a fork today. So remember last time I made my big square piece and then I even cut out a window, but I did not get to put them together. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, you may need to get more clay. Remember, get rid of the air bubbles. Flatten it out, squish it flat, push down hard. And then remember, put your sticks on the side and roll it out. Remember, it does help to stand up for this part. And then you can use more muscles. But roll it out as far as you can, so you're rolling on the sticks. And then, remember, use that pencil tool to draw lightly to create some things that go on it. Now, I'm going to actually try to make my roof, so I'm going to set my house right down so then I can see how big my roof needs to be. And I'm going to very lightly try to draw a triangle roof here until I like it. So if that's the way I like it, then I'm going to push down harder to cut it out. Okay. Go, and then I can cut off the top part there too. Okay, so I'm going to just get rid of these extra pieces. I want to go ahead and put some texture on my roof here quick too. I remember this brick one from last time I liked. So I'm going to put that right on top. And then I'm going to roll over it. Okay, that will give my roof a nice little brick texture. Now, I want to begin adding some of these pieces to my house. Now, in order to do that, I need to do something very special. If I just take 2 pieces of clay like this and I stick them together, the only thing holding these 2 pieces together is the moisture in the clay. Now, when it cooks in that very special oven called the kiln, which gets as hot as a volcano, all the water in here is going to evaporate. It's going to disappear, and then my pieces are going to come apart. So we need to do something called scoring to keep that from happening. And when you score, you need to use a fork. And what you're going to do is put some scratches on your clay. So I'm going to scratch the bottom of my roof here. It's just this part's going on there. And these scratches need to be pretty deep too. You're not just kind of lightly touching it like this. You gotta give it a good scratch. And then right here I scratch too because I'm going to be putting my roof there. Before I put it together, I need to take my finger, dip it in the water cup, and just put a little bit of water over these scratches and a little bit of water on these ones here too. I'm just gently putting the water on. If I rub away the scratches, please go back and put some more there quick. And then you just gently push this on. Now you can do one more thing to really make sure that does not come off, and that is to flip it over and take the back of your house and smooth it into that piece that hangs off. Okay, now even after, and I can take my finger and kind of go right across there too if I'd like, even after it's cooked, these pieces will not come apart. Now, afterwards, you just need to get more clay if you don't have any still rolled out. Get more clay, roll it out some more, and then you're going to cut some other pieces on there. You know, maybe I want to make a door or a window or anything else. I've made a few pieces ahead of time here. So I got another window. There we go. Got another window here. I made a little tree, and then I made a door. So remember, I needed at least 5 things. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I have a bonus 6th one here. Okay, now no matter how small it is, remember I have to score it on. So I scratch it, put a little bit of water, and then I scratch where it goes as well. And put a little bit of water there too. And then push it on, just gently, and I can go to my next piece. Scratch it on, scratch where it goes, put some water, and push it on. I'll do the same to my tree. Remember, give it some good scratches, scratch where it's going to go. Put some water on it, and then you can push it on. I'm gonna add one last window here too. And remember, if you need more clay, just come back to the bucket, grab some more, use the sticks on the side, roll out more, and then you can continue cutting out your shapes. Alright, and then I got it on there. Remember, take a second to put some water on your finger and go over all the edges to get it real smooth. Because remember, when this clay gets cooked, it turns into stone, and anything that's kind of rough may be kind of sharp after it's cooked. We don't want to poke ourselves. Now, you are the artist. You can add as many things on here as you would like. I've had people make chimneys with Santa in them. I've had people make a garage. I've had people add people or cars. You can add just about anything. You could even use your pencil tool and draw some different textures on if you'd like. But when you're all finished, if you would like, you could bring it up to me. I can poke a hole in it up at the top, so then you could use it as a Christmas ornament even and hang it on your tree next year. If you do not put this hole in it before you are done and we cook it, you will not be able to do that. So you have to do that first. After you're finished, you're just going to put it on your yellow tray. This time, do not put a wet paper towel on it and put it on the done pile. Alright, thanks guys.